How's it going, guys? Backyard Feast here. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the cheapest and easiest turkey nuggets I've ever had, with the price tag sitting at about $6, excluding the seasonings I already have. Let's get on into it. In this video, I want to try a new fry mix that I've never done before. I believe it was only $2 or so at Walmart, and I also don't know how to pronounce the name. And I don't plan on trying. You just have to mix a little bit of it in with water to make a batter, and then you use the dry part of it to make your dry mix. It's super easy and sounds very good, so let's give it a shot. To start out, get yourself a baking sheet and a little bit of parchment paper. This will help the nuggets that are about to form not stick. Now, we've got to get our turkey ready. You can use whatever seasonings you'd like on it, or feel free to copy me. Now we've got the package opened, throw it on into a mixing bowl. This stuff looks very nasty to me when it's raw, but don't worry, it does come out tasting good. So I threw some garlic powder in, some salt. Don't add as much as me, I went a little bit too heavy, I think. And some black pepper. I also threw a little bit of the dry mix for the batter in, just for some new flavor. Now, go ahead and mix it up good. Once it's mixed, we're going to make these into small nuggets. You can do whatever size you want, big or small, or just feel free to copy about the size and shape of what I'm doing. After you make one, rinse and repeat. Now go ahead and throw these into the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. Don't let them get too solid. You just want them to go and freeze long enough that you can hold them without them falling apart. Alright everyone, we're back. So, you guys saw the intro. You guys saw the clips of getting the food ready. I was in a different kitchen. I had some distractions going on at my house, so I came over here to my parents' house. We'll become a lot more quieter and help me focus on getting you guys some good videos. So, after we threw the meat into the freezer, I let it sit. It's been almost an hour. All I did that for was to solidify it. It helps it hold its shape. It doesn't come out super mushy. It'll help you guys get it through the batter and the dry mix, and then get it into the oven or air fryer. A lot easier. So I'm sure everyone's seen how you fry, whether it's chicken or whatever. But start with your batter. You're going to throw your nugget in, get it mixed good. Just get it wet. Then over to your dry mix. Coat up all the sides as much as you can. And then onto your cooking sheet. You're just going to repeat that for every one of your nuggets. Okay, now that you guys have your nuggets coated, we're going to throw them into the air fryer for, I'll go 10 minutes. I'm going to experiment with the time, so I'll let you guys know once I'm done. On 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so just a second ago, I showed you guys me putting the nuggets into the air fryer. Don't be like me. I forgot to put oil on these. I don't know what would happen if you don't put oil, but I'm assuming it wouldn't come out the best. So I'm just using, from Great Value, a spray vegetable oil, but you guys can use your preferred ones. Alright, I just pulled these out of the air fryer and check these out. They look good. Now, like I said earlier, I made the mistake. I didn't put oil on. I was able to save them though. Without it, I think this all would have been gooey. You can see, got a nice crust all over it. They're nice and solid. You can still feel the inside soft. But there you have it. If you guys like this video, feel free to give me a like, give me a follow. I want to do more cheap meals like this in the future and teach you guys how to save some money, because I know it's tough right now. Again, if you like this, feel free to let me know. And if you ever decide to make this, leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching.